VMware Workstation Pro is now owned and managed by Broadcom. Because VMware Workstation Pro is now free, no license key is required for activation. Due to these changes, automatic updates is no longer supported or as of now is not available. This guide provides a step-by-step process for manually updating VMware Workstation Pro from version 17.5 to 17.6.3 on Windows. The update process involves creating an account at Broadcom, downloading and installing the latest version manually. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and click on the thumbs up button to help my little channel. Thanks. What you see on the screen is the error when you click Software Updates on the Help menu, which is basically saying it's not communicating with the update server. Logging into Broadcom website is a little confusing, but the main thing is to create your account, log in, and download the update. Notice I did not use the center screen to log in because I was getting redirected to a different page. Once logged in to the correct page, which shows my dashboard screen, scroll down and select My Downloads. Select and download VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows as shown. To update, run VMware Workstation Pro 17.6.3.exe as administrator and follow as prompted as shown.